Welcome back. In this video, I will discuss different sampling techniques like SRSWOR, SRSWR, clusters and stratified techniques used in statistics and machine learning with a solved example. Suppose a group of 12 sales price records has been sorted as 5 to 215. Here our task is to sketch example for 4 different samplings. Those are SRSWOR, SRSWR, cluster sampling and stratified sampling. Using sample size of 5 and the strata as youth, middle-aged and senior. Before we look into the example, first we will understand why we need to do the sampling. So sampling techniques are essential in statistics for selecting a subset of individuals from a larger population to make inference about that population. It means that to get the information from the large data, it takes more time and computational power. To avoid that one, we are using the sampling techniques. First, we will go for simple random sampling without replacement. This is a given data set. In this technique, each member of the population has an equal chance of being selected, and once a member is chosen, it cannot be selected again. Here we need to select randomly 5 prices from the list. Once I select the price as a 10, it is not available in the data, so we cannot select again. It means that once the price was selected, it was not available for subsequent selections. Next, I will consider simple random sampling with replacement. In this technique, each member can be selected more than once because after a selection, it is replaced back into the population. So here we need to select 5 samples. Once I select the price as 11, it is replaced back into the data. So if I select the next random price, there is a chance of selecting the 11. Here we can see that in these 5 samples, the 11 is selected twice. So it is illustrating that the member can be chosen multiple times. So next one is cluster sampling. The cluster sampling techniques involves dividing the population into groups and then randomly selecting the entire cluster. For example, here we are divided the data set based on the price ranges. So I have divided the data into 4 clusters based on the price range, and from these 4 clusters we can select any random cluster. So I have selected the cluster number 2. In this cluster number 2 we are having the 3 prices. So but we need the set of 5. To match that one, we can select the cluster 1 or from the cluster 3. Next one is stratified sampling. In the stratified sampling involves dividing the population into distinct subgroups and then randomly sampling from each stratum. So here I have divided the data based on the age groups. Youth, that is from 5 to 15, middle aged from 35 to 92, senior is from 204 to 215. From this group we need to select the prices to meet the size of 5 samples. And here we can select the random number of prices from any group. So here what I have did, I have selected 2 from a youth, 2 from the middle aged and 1 from the senior. So I will get the sample size of 5. In this method ensures that each age group is represented in a sample, providing more comprehensive view of the population. Finally, we conclude that each technique has its own strength and weakness. While simple random sampling is a straightforward, stratified sampling is often the best for ensuring your sample represents the entire population. I hope this concept is clear. If you like the video, do like and share with your friends. Press the subscribe button for more videos. Press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you for watching.